So this is the drain bolt right here. Here we go. Okay, this is 14mm socket. Actually, socket is always better option than just a regular wrench. That was easy. Oil filter location is here on the front of the vehicle. This is the oil filter I'm going to use. It's a Motorcraft Ford FL-500S. Yeah, Motorcraft FL-500S. Oil a little bit the gasket. Don't use anything but your hand to tighten it up. So this is 5W20 Mobil 1 for high mileage, fully synthetic. And for this engine I need 7.7 quarters, or about 7 liters. I'm going to start the engine and check the oil pressure inside, and then I'm gonna check the oil level. took about couple seconds to fill up the system with the oil, but looks fine right now. Now let's check the oil level. Hard to see, yeah, it's on minimum, so I have to add some oil. Looks like it's right where it's supposed to be. So the level is good. I will drive couple miles, park it on a flat surface and check it again. So, but for now, that's it.